Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile using a Bluetooth keyboard. First, make sure your Bluetooth keyboard is fully charged or has fresh batteries. Then, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device by navigating to its settings menu. Once Bluetooth is on, select your keyboard from the list of available devices to pair it. After successful pairing, you can launch Call of Duty Mobile and prepare for an enhanced gaming experience. Once your keyboard is connected, it's time to optimize your in-game controls. Head into Call of Duty Mobile's settings menu and find the controls section. From there, select the layout option, which allows you to customize your keybinds. You can assign various actions, such as movement, firing your weapon, and reloading, to your preferred keyboard keys. Remember to save your personalized control layout before jumping into a match to ensure your settings are applied. To truly enhance your gameplay with a Bluetooth keyboard, practice is key. Spend some time in the game's training modes to get comfortable with your new control scheme. Focus on utilizing quick, fluid movements and precise aiming, which the keyboard can greatly assist with, giving you a competitive edge. Don't hesitate to experiment with various keybinds to discover the setup that feels most natural for you. Also, remember to communicate clearly with your teammates using the in-game chat or voice options. Sometimes, you might encounter minor issues, but troubleshooting is straightforward. If your controls become unresponsive, simply unpair and then repair your Bluetooth keyboard. Always check for any available game updates or keyboard firmware updates to ensure optimal compatibility and performance. For a more comfortable setup, consider using a phone stand to position your device at an ideal viewing angle. Finally, explore advanced keybinding options within the game to master complex maneuvers and elevate your play.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.